Hello out there in HFG land. Casey Craig, founding partner of Highlander Financial Group, with a special message today. We have officially reached market correction territory. We've dropped more than 10% from the high in the S&P 500 from earlier this year. So we felt like it would be prudent to just put a message out to our clients to let you know that we are aware of the situation, we are paying attention to what's going on, and of course, if you've been working with us for any period of time, you know we're always working on risk mitigation regardless. So we're very confident we're going to be able to manage this. We're monitoring the situation on a regular basis. But as is always the case, if you have any questions at all, you can give us a ring, and we're happy to sit and spend some time with you. We are attaching to this message another look at a video we did last year, which talks about the importance of staying invested and staying the course. So just a reminder that we want to pick a risk tolerance that we feel we can live with over a long period of time. And we may need to change that for you, given where we're at. But given that risk tolerance, we want to try to stay invested. And this video, we think, does a great job of explaining that. So definitely challenging times out there right now, but we believe we're up to the challenge, and we know that we're going to be there for you. So if you have any questions, give us a ring. Enjoy the video. Please do watch this, because I think it's very helpful, very instructive. Okay. Hang in there, everybody. Thanks. Have a great day. Well, hello out there in HFG land. My name is Casey Craig. I'm the founding partner of Highlander Financial Group, and today's message is basically addressing the recent market volatility that we've been experiencing. I've got a couple of slides I just want to show. I feel like we've had a little bit of a pullback. We're having a great year in the market, but we've had a little bit of a pullback recently, and I just wanted to put a couple of slides out there that I think will help everybody kind of get some perspective. This first slide, we're talking about the long-term power of markets, and so what this is showing is the growth of a $100,000 investment over 30 plus years. So really what we're trying to show here is a number of categories, as you can see on the screen. The S&P 500, of course, on top in purple, and it's showing that S&P 500 long-term 9.92% rate of return, okay, and that $100,000 initial investment will be worth $2.437 million after 30 years. And then if you just look at, for instance, the next one would be like the green one, the Russell 2000, which is like mid and small cap stocks. And that's basically 8.76% return over a long period of time. But if you look at the slides, what you're seeing is, there's volatility from time to time. So we have ups, we have downs, but if we stay invested long term, we're going to have a good experience. This next slide dives a little bit into what that's about. So we're talking about the growth of $100,000 over 20 years now, with buy and hold in the S&P 500, 9.71% annualized return. So you can see the ups and downs in the green line there at the top. And so, what we're saying here is just stay invested. And yes, we're going to have ups and downs. We're going to have some volatility, but over a long period of time, we get that great return. The second scenario is moving to cash at the bottom of the financial crisis in 2008 for 1 year. And then that changes that 20-year average return to 6.77%. So almost a full 3% per year average annual, just by panicking during 2008 and 9, which was very easy to do. And then of course the final scenario is move to cash at the bottom of that crisis and then never come back, and you'd actually would have had a negative return. And obviously that's a pretty extreme example, but what we're trying to illustrate is that it always makes sense to just kind of hang on and keep the line, because we're not invested in anything super crazy anyway. So we want to just let our investments have their experience. We've had a great year already this year. We feel really good about how we've positioned everybody in every portfolio. Okay. But again, this message is really just because we want to get content out to you in the broadest format, in the timeliest way, so that you know we're watching markets, we're paying attention, that we're specifically thinking about you. Okay. So again, Casey Craig, Highlander Financial Group. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, email us, call us. You know the team members, and we'll be standing by. We're ready. And also, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube page so you can follow us on a regular basis. Thanks. Have a great day.